I think they have excellent videos. I think it's probably a cut above a lot of other programs that I have seen.
They have some really state-of-the-art videos to watch, and they're short clips, so people don't get tired of watching something with their legs up on their table and their arms crossed and think they're there for a day.
If you are just watching videos or only do 2 minutes of CPR, you have no other training time. People don't have these mannequins at home.
We get people out of the seat, and the skills portion is one of the things people like best.
And that methodology of teaching, I think, is very effective. And I think the students enjoy it too.
So the feedback I always get with teaching the ASHI courses is we get so much hands-on time. The fact that they get to do it over and over and over in a short period of time, that repetition, that muscle memory builds, and that experience burns into their memory.